Wow. Look at that. See how the muddy river, the bottom of the fall. Oh, they have a wheel there, a water wheel. See the fall right there? That's the fall. Maybe they're erecting another structure here for something. So let's come over here. Oh, this is another part of the fall. Another part of the park. Let's check it out. Ah, look at this, man. Look how beautiful this is. Wow. Wow, look at this. Oh my. That's beautiful. Wow, man. Oh, to the right up there. See that? That's gonna go back up now. It's gonna take you back up right there. Yeah, right there. We have the round trip ticket. Round trip, go back up. Oh, you can go up there. There's a water wheel. You want to check out the water wheel? Over there?
Going already.
Yeah, that's rock climbing. See that? That's the rock climbing activity. So if you sign up for the rock climbing, that's what you do over there. Okay? Yeah, of course. We're gonna go up there and check it out. Part is the other activity you pay for. I don't know how much it is, but that's you're doing the rock climbing and you're doing zip line. See the zip line up there? You're doing zip line and you're gonna end up there and then you're gonna rock climb down here. And yeah, I didn't sign up for that. My niece did. So làm được á, còn đây không nó làm cái đó có lý rồi đó. Rồi được rồi. It's Đà Lạt, man. We gotta come to Đà Lạt because this is the highlight of the trip right here. We're gonna go up there right there. We're gonna go up there. Okay, let's go down there. Đưa luôn, dạ. Đây có đâu bên phải nè, bên phải nè. Đừng té nha.
Không phải đi mà đâu.
No, it's fine.
We're hiking.
Yeah, we're hiking. I didn't do that one because I got a sprained wrist, so I can't do it. You got a zip line up there. You're doing a zip line and then you propel down to this area. I don't know if you can hear me, but it's kind of loud. really like it, huh? Tourists really like it. That's the tour group. You gotta sign up for tour group. You're doing 4 propel. This is the first one. You do a practice. I talked to this guy right here. I was talking to them. This is a family. They oh, sorry, man. Alright. Not behind me. Yeah. So this is the first propel. They're doing total 4 propels. I don't know where to sign up for the tour, but this is one of them. What do you want? I love this place, yo. This is the first time ever experienced something like this. A zip line, propel. They're going to propel down this way. Nobody's down here. Usually they have one person down here to help them. Look at the view, man. Look at the beautiful view. This tour is the first part of, they're doing 3 propel. This is the first one. They're doing the training up there. They do the training or practice up there, and then they try it in nature. This is the first one, and they have 2 more down there. 2 or 3 more down below. So this is the first one. We gotta sign a tour group down at the ticket office up there. The ticket office up there, I don't know how much it costs. Look at all these water. It's a rainy season, so you get a lot of water right now in the summertime. This is Đà Lạt, okay? It's called DATANLA Fall. Right there. DATANLA Fall. More propel. Well, they're gonna be on the video. Come to Đà Lạt, okay? Come to Đà Lạt. It's like a great place to tour, to do a tour like this. The air is really fresh up here. You get fresh air, nice weather, except it rains a lot, but it's, you know, it's nice weather. I like the rain, so this is perfect for me. I love the rain and the water. So come to Đà Lạt. You come up from there. You walk up the stairs. You go up to get to this place. Come to Đà Lạt. Yeah, Đà Lạt #1, man. I love it. And shout out to Kelvin, my friend Kelvin, my cousin, Timmy, John, and Gilbert. These guys love it, man. Everybody that comes through here love it. There's another group. There was another group before this one. They left already. A group of 12. Now there's another group. Quay thêm luôn hả? Quay thêm luôn á.
Cứ quay cho anh.
Không quay thêm hả? Anh lên! Ok! Cái này giấy trắng này con, ở đây này con. Yeah. Hả? Me? I did? Oh, sorry, man. Look at this tree. It's like twirling around like that. See that? See how it twirls around? Isn't that interesting? Right there. See how it twirls? See how it twirls around? It lives in this. Oh yeah, right here. It lives in this river, or it survived this river, or actually it thrived in this river. Look at that. That's interesting. Look how it twirls around. The branches twirl all the way up. It smells like Coke. This wood here smells like Coke. This piece of wood here smells like Coca-Cola.
Quay đây là hồi đó qua quay đi.
Có người thác không? Dala or Dala? Dala. Over here is nice too. Look at that. That's nice too. Wow, this is really mystical. Oh my God, look at this. Wow. There's so many nice views. Water wheel. This is at the bottom of the fall. Here you go. You're not photogenic? No, you are. What are you talking about? You are photogenic. Huh? My daughter says he's not photogenic, but I disagree. This is going back up. The round trip ticket. This is the second part of the trip. You buy a ticket to go back up. Otherwise, you have to walk back up. Or it's return trip. This one, you go back. Okay. Just remember, it's called toboggan coaster. Toboggan coaster. I just from the sign. It's toboggan coaster. It's Germany. It's designed or manufactured by a Germany company. Wagon. Toboggan. Yeah, that's the word. Toboggan coaster. Okay? Come on, let's go. Khá dài.